In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks in Wrike. Whether you're managing a small team or working on a big project with multiple moving parts, organizing your workload into smaller, manageable chunks can make a big difference. Subtasks in Wrike can help you do just that, breaking down tasks into bite-sized pieces that make tracking, prioritizing, and collaborating a breeze. So let's dive in and see how this can be done. First things first, we'll need to log into our Wrike account. If you're not yet signed in, head over to the Wrike website and enter your login credentials. This will bring you to your dashboard where all your projects and tasks are neatly listed. Being signed in is the gateway to accessing all the powerful features Wrike has to offer. Once you're in, the next step is to open a project or folder where you want to create a subtask. You can find your projects and folders listed on the left-hand side of the interface. Simply click on the one you want to work with, and you'll be taken to its main page. Here, you can view all the associated tasks and begin deciding where it makes sense to break things down into subtasks. Now let's locate the subtasks section. Once you've selected a task, take a closer look at the task details panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you should see a section marked as subtasks or subitems. This area is specifically designated for creating those additional layers of detail that can be crucial for comprehensive task management. To add a new subtask, look for the +Add Subtask button in this section. Click on it, and you'll see a prompt to type the name of your new subtask. Think of a concise and descriptive title that accurately encapsulates the objective of this smaller task. Once you've settled on a name, simply hit Enter or Return on your keyboard to create the subtask. It will appear under the main task, maintaining a clearly structured hierarchy. With your subtask created, you can now open and edit it to include more specific details. You might want to add descriptions, set due dates, assign team members if applicable, or attach related files. Doing so ensures everyone is on the same page and has all the context they need to complete the task effectively. Finally, managing and tracking these subtasks is crucial for workflow consistency. Back in the Task Details panel, you can see all your subtasks listed clearly, each with its progress indicators. This feature allows you to easily update statuses, check off completed tasks, and adjust timelines as needed, keeping your project on track. And there you have it. Creating and managing subtasks in Wrike is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your project's organization and clarity. By breaking down complex tasks into more manageable parts, you improve focus, increase productivity, and ensure no detail is overlooked. Happy task managing!